We divide 965 by 5 in long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 4. So now we put down this 6 and it is 46. 5 times 9 is 45. On subtracting we get 1. So again we put down this 5 and it is 15. So 5 times 3 is 15. On subtracting we get 0. So 965 divided by 5 is 193. So this much for today and thanks for watching.